I don't need you telling the class to be quiet. I'm just going to go ahead and say that now. Thank you. Okay, so we are going to be looking at our light standards again. So when it comes to light, what is something you know about light? Can it pass through all objects? No, it cannot pass through all objects. If I held up a piece of glass, could you see light through glass?
Yes.
Yes. What if I held up a desk? Could I see light through that? Why can I see light through glass but not through a desk? Turn and talk to your partner.
Because that's all.
Does anyone want to share? George. What's opaque? The glass or the desk? The desk. I like that vocab word, opaque. What does opaque mean, Adrian?
Like you can't see through it.
Like you can't see through it. So if I held up this beautiful coffee cup, could you see light going through it?
No.
If I held up somebody's library book, I don't know whose library book this is. Is it somebody's library book? No. Can you see the light through it?
No.
Do you know whose library book this could be?
No.
Okay, great, thank you. Anyways, you cannot see through it. But if we were looking through glass, we can see through it. Why can we see through glass? What's that called? Call it out. Transparent. So today we're going to be looking at some more words dealing with light. We got our light refraction. Does anyone know what refraction is? Or do you think you know what refraction is? Turn and talk to your neighbor.
When it goes through something like water, for instance, it can start bending and it's gonna start to refract. Like it's going.
Anyone want to try and share? Titus.
So I said when the light reflects, it breaks into all different colors.
Are you saying that because of what's on the screen? Okay. Xander, what do you got?
When light is refracted, it bends and breaks into all the colors of the rainbow.
So it's bending and it goes into the colors of the rainbow. What if we were to confirm that with a definition? What if we were to confirm that with a definition? What we're about to do is look at dictionaries.
Wait, what's that?
No.
This beautiful book that's been sitting up here for quite some time. Dictionaries hold a lot of words in it. Any word you can think of. This is an older dictionary. But most words that you can think of will be in this dictionary. One of the words that will not be in it is skippity, but a word that will be in it is sigma. So, please breathe. So, pass out dictionaries.
Yay!
Bella, come get these dictionaries for your group.
Adrian, why do they look so big? I know, right? Wait, you look so big. They probably don't have every word here.
Alright, if you have a dictionary, be quiet. If you have a dictionary, be quiet. Perfect, cool. Great. Oh, why were you quiet if you didn't have a dictionary? Dictionaries are going to be in alphabetical order. Have you heard of alphabetical order before?
Yes.
If you haven't heard of alphabetical, have you heard of ABC?
Yes.
ABC order. When you're doing something in ABC order, you are going to make sure that you are looking at your words. So if I had transparent, I'm just going to put that. versus translucent, what do these both start with? T. They both start with T. Do they start with any other letters together? They go all the way to the S. They have the exact same beginning. They have the same prefix. Is the prefix at the beginning or at the end?
Beginning.
Is the prefix at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word? It's at the beginning. So, these have the exact same beginning. We need to figure out which word would come first. In the alphabet, does L come first or P come first? L. So that means you would have to look at your guide words and look at TRANSL. What do you think a guide word is?
That helps you find words.
Adrian, thank you for raising your hand.
Something that helps you find the page, like the word that it's on.
It can help you find the page. It's guiding you. Does anyone want to add on to that? Turn to a random page in your dictionary and point to the top left corner. Wait. Whatever corner you pick, point to it. Point. Kalani, that's enough pages. You should be at the corner, Jakaya. Thank you. Do you see this bold word at the very top?
Yes.
Yes. That is what a guide word is. It's going to tell you, Bella, it's going to tell you what word is at the top of the page. So my word up here says iconic, because I'm iconic. And you're going to see it at the top here. My next word here says irritating. Like the fire alarm is irritating. That's going to be at the bottom of this page over here. So look at your current page. Janelle, look at your current page. The first word should be at the top over here. And the second word should be at the bottom on the same page. Do y'all see that?
Yeah. Cool.
Turn to another page. Do it one more time. Turn to another page. Hunter, what's at the top of your page? No, not the number. The word. What's the word? IDIOT?
I see.
Oh, I see. Idiotic. All right, so that's at your top, right? What's your second word? That's your guide word. Ill. Ill. Is that at the bottom of your page?
Yeah.
Is anyone else not seeing that? Is anyone else not seeing that your guide words are at the top of the page and at the bottom of the page? So let's go ahead and try to find our first word. So our first word today is going to be transmitted. However, I want to see first the paper I gave you. Look at your paper. I want you to go to the back. Is that the paper I gave? Close your dictionaries. Close your dictionaries. Pick up the paper. On the back of this paper, I want you to circle the first word transmitted. This first bold word you see. In the passage. In the passage. In the passage. Thank you. Go get another pencil. You know where they are. Get up. Go get pencil. Because that's really, come on. Thank you so much. You should have circled transmitted. Do you know what that possibly means? Well, that's what the dictionary is for. We're going to look up that first word. So, what letter of the alphabet do we need to go to?
T.
T. Go to it. What's the next letter you need to get to?
R.
So you need TR. What else?
A.
A. What else?
I.
N. S. I think we should go to TRANSM. I want y'all to look at the guide words and see what you can find. for TRANS. Some of you need to do big chunk flips because you're not even close to the T's. TRANS. Oh, why are you in the U's?
Yes.
You in the J's. Be for real. In the alphabet, where is the T? And you're in the J's. TR. TRAN. Closer. If you've got TRANS, a lot of you have TRANS. Go to the next letter. What's the next letter you're looking for? You've got TRANS. What's the next letter you need? M. Good. So, y'all need to look for TRANSM. You're at T. You gotta do a big chunk flip. You got what? You got it.
Transmitted.
You're at G. Well, hold on. So some of you are saying that you found transmit or transmitter. Isn't transmit or transmitted, aren't they the same thing?
Yes.
They have the same base, right? We just added an ed, so we changed the verb tense. Therefore, if you found transmit, it's probably going to be the same thing. And I would possibly look for that word. Some of y'all have it. I need you to wait. We need to help our friends. Why's your book closed?
I found Richard. It's the name.
Do you mean Mr. Clapper?
All right, if you have it, help your neighbor. If you have it, help your neighbor. Transmit. Some of you are just staring in the space. That's not going to help you. When you're looking for a specific word, do you guys notice that some of them are bold and some of them are thin? Are you seeing how some of these words are bold and some of them are thin?
Yeah.
That's because it helps you tell the difference between which word you're looking for. Kylie, go ahead and read that definition for us.
Yes.
How many definitions are shown? How many definitions does it show you in yours? 2. Did you read the second one? Can you read it louder, please? Yes, good. Go back to your passage. Circle another word that you probably don't know. Quick. 10, 9, 8, 7. Why are we fighting over pencils? You don't even have your paper in your hand. You don't even have your paper in your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2. Trey, what word do you have circled?
My word I got circled is
Coding. So, what does coding start with?
C.
C. So go to your what? What are you going to?
C.
What's the second letter you need?
O.
What's the third letter?
A.
I want y'all to see if you can find COA.